Subject English language. Topic Articles. Good morning, students. Today, in the subject of English language, we will discuss articles. Children, the words a, and the are called articles. They are demonstrative adjectives and are used to point out people or things. A and an are indefinite articles. The is the definite article. A and an suggest any person or thing. The suggests a particular person or thing. Use of indefinite articles. Students, we use indefinite articles a and an before countables in the singular number. For example, a boy, a tree, a shop, an egg, an ox, an umbrella. Use of a. The use of a and an depends upon the sound of the countable noun before which it is used. We use a before a countable noun in the singular number beginning with the consonant sound. For example, a man, a flower, a cup. Children, in words having consonant sound, we use a. For example, a university, a European, a one-eye, 1 rupee note. Use of an. Children, we use an before a countable noun in the singular number beginning with the vowel sound. For example, an ant, an apple, an eggs. The words ant, apple, and eggs begin with a vowel sound. So, an is used before these words. Some words where H is silent, they begin with a vowel sound and take an before them. For example, an hour, an honest. Use of the. The is used before a particular person or a thing. For example, close the window on your right. With superlatives. For example, this is the show I have ever seen. This is the best show I have ever seen. With words like first, last, next, only. For example, who is sitting on the first seat? With a common noun when that noun represents the whole class. For example, the rose is a beautiful flower. With earth, moon, sky, sun, etc. For example, the earth revolves round the sun. With the names of rivers, seas, and oceans. For example, the Narmada falls into the Arabian Sea. Children, we use the with the name of mountain ranges. For example, the Himalayas lies to the north of India. With the name of holy books, the Ramayana, the Bible. With the names of trains, ships, aeroplanes, etc. For example, the Shatabdi Express, the Rajdhani Express. With the names of countries if the name includes a common noun. For example, the UK and the USA are developed countries. Children, we use the with the names of newspapers like the Times of India, the Tribune, with the names of well-known buildings. We visited the Taj Mahal last week. Omission of the article. When no articles is used. Students, no article is used with proper nouns. For example, Ashoka was a kind ruler. New Delhi is the capital of India. Number 2. No article is used with abstract nouns. For example, beauty pleases our heart and eyes. Honesty is the best policy. Children, no article is used with such nouns as gold, silver, water, etc. For instance, gold is an expensive metal. See, no article is used here. Ashoka, New Delhi, beauty, honesty, and gold. We are not using any article with any of these. Students, the whole chapter is explained to you. Hope you have understood it. Now let us recapitulate the topic with the help of an exercise. Kindly listen attentively. Filling the blanks using articles a or an or the in the spaces given below. Number 1. Dash Ganga is dash sacred river. Number 2. Sri Lanka is dash island. Have you been there? Number 3. Dash book you want is not available. Number 4. I bought dash pen. Dash pen writes well. Now children, you can pause the audio for 3 minutes while you answer. The interval is over. The answers are: the Ganga is a sacred river. The and a. Answer 1. Answer 2. An island. And answer 2. Answer 3. The book. Answer 4. a pen dash the pen. Here we have used a and the for filling the blanks. Children, go through the chapter along with the assignment and attempt exercise A given in your language book. Thank you.